On this Mori NZX machine with CELOS CNC, actually it's a Mitsubishi M73000. We're gonna see how to check the alarm history, and we have the alarm on the left upper corner, and I open the menu to see the description of the first alarm that is showing us. And let me check us. There you go. So now we are gonna see the details. And in the details, let's press reset. And for some reason it's not showing us. There you go. I had to undo the command here. And we have a lubricant oil level low, and the warning that we have here is the battery low, voltage is low. And let's open this, and it's telling us that the CNC battery memory backup battery is low, so we need to replace that. And let's check more details. It says that please read the maintenance manual to replace for replacement procedure. So if you don't know which one is the procedure, you might need to check the manuals right here. And then we have instruction manual, and in here you can check. We don't have the keyboard right here, but we can open from there, from this icon. Enter battery replacement. Let me go back, space, replace. Let's look for that, enter. So we have the procedure in the chapter 825. Let's keep searching. And here is the procedure. So for the CNC battery, and we need A alkaline AA batteries, and it's gonna be the one that is identified as a CNC. But in this case, we're gonna change both of them, and you need to have the machine. Let's say change the battery memory backup battery and servo selected position sensing battery with the power supply to the CNC. Okay, so we need to keep the CNC on. Some CNC need to be off, or in this case is need to be on. So if you turn it off and you change the battery, you are gonna lose the parameters or data from the CNC. So let me show you where these batteries are. So we have A batteries for the CNC right here. We need to remove this cap, and the servo batteries right here. Okay? Thank you.